Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Data Dispatch, the channel that keeps you updated on everything regarding AI in the industry and also looking at AI-related stocks. Now, today we're going to be looking at possibly the best opportunities in the artificial intelligence sector. In this video, we are going to look at the top 5 AI stocks for June of 2023 and why these stocks have a potential to deliver huge returns in the long term. Of course, before we get started, I'm not a financial advisor, so please take everything I say with a grain of salt and do your own research before making an investment decision. But before, also, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more AI investing tips and insights. AI really is one of the hottest topics in the tech world right now, thanks to the breakthrough made by OpenAI's ChatGPT bot, which can generate those realistic text, images, audio, and video that we've seen on demand. Now, ChatGPT has really sparked a wave of interest in innovation related to AI applications across various industries such as e-commerce, gaming, healthcare, entertainment, and more. As a result, you've seen many AI stocks that have soared to new heights this year, but there are still many hidden gems that are undervalued or overlooked by the market. So let's dive into the top 5 AI stocks for June of 2023. The first one, number 5, we're starting at the list here, is C3.ai. Now, this is a leading provider of enterprise AI software that helps businesses optimize their operations, improve customer experiences, and generate new revenue streams. The company offers a suite of AI applications that can be deployed across various domains such as energy, manufacturing, banking, healthcare, and defense. Now, C3.ai also has a platform that enables developers to build their own custom AI solutions using its tools and data. Now, I was talking about the technicalities. C3.ai actually went public in December of 2022 at $42 per share and quickly soared to over $180 regarding all-time highs. However, the stock has since fallen back to around $50 as of May 31st, 2023, due to a combination of factors such as market volatility, competition, and slowing growth. The company did report a 19% year-over-year revenue growth in its fiscal fourth quarter of 2023, which was actually below its own guidance and analyst expectations. However, C3.ai could still be a great long-term investment in the AI space because it has a strong competitive advantage with its proprietary technology, a loyal customer base, and that also includes some of the largest corporations in the world, such as Shell, Baker Hughes, and Microsoft, and a huge market opportunity. Now, we believe that C3.ai is well positioned to benefit from the increasing demand for enterprise AI solutions, that its current valuation is attractive for investors who are looking for a bargain in the AI sector. Number 4 is Micron Technology, ticker symbol MU. What Micron Technology does is it's one of the world's largest producers of memory chips such as DRAM and NAND flash. Now, these chips are essential components for many AI devices that use AI, such as smartphones, laptop servers, cloud computing, and autonomous vehicles, hey Tesla. As AI becomes more advanced and ubiquitous, the demand for memory chips is also going to increase exponentially. Now, Micron Technology has been enjoying strong growth in its revenue and earnings in recent quarters thanks to the recovery in memory chip prices and demand after a prolonged downturn in 2022. The company actually reported a 30% year-over-year revenue growth and a 118% year-over-year earnings growth in its fiscal second quarter of 2023. They also raised its guidance for its fiscal third quarter of 2023, expecting a 36% revenue growth year-over-year and a 162% year-over-year earnings growth. Now, Micron Technology is also investing heavily in research and development to stay ahead of the curve in the memory chip industry. The company actually recently announced that it had started volume production of its first 176-layer NAND flash memory chip, which offers higher performance, lower power consumption, and greater density than its previous generation. The company also plans to launch its first DDR5 DRAM chip later this year, which will enable faster data processing and lower latency for AI applications. Now, Micron Technology could be one of the best ways to play the AI trend from from a hardware perspective. The company has a solid track record of innovation and execution in the memory chip market and stands to benefit from the growing demand for AI-enabled devices. The stock is also trading at a relatively low valuation compared to its peers and historical averages. Talking about number 3, this is a real popular one, everybody's heard of it, Tesla. Now, Tesla is not just an electric vehicle maker, it's also an AI powerhouse. The company has been developing its own self-driving technology using deep learning algorithms that can learn from real-world data collected by its fleet of vehicles. Now, Tesla claims that it has over 1 billion miles of driving data from its customers who use its autopilot feature or subscribe to its full self-driving package. Tesla also has its own custom designed chip, this is called Hardware 3, that can process up to 144 trillion operations per second for its self-driving software. Now, Tesla's goal is to achieve a full autonomy for its vehicles without relying on external sensors or maps. The company believes that this will give it an edge over other competitors who use different types of definition maps for their self-driving systems. Tesla also plans to launch a robo-taxi network that will allow owners to rent their autonomous vehicles when they are not using them and earn passive income. Now, regarding the price of Tesla stock has really been on a roller coaster ride this year. It reached one of the high price of over $900 in January 2023, but then dropped below $600 in March of 2023 due to severe headwinds such as production delays, regulatory scrutiny, and safety concerns. However, we've seen some rebound of the price to about $700 as of May 31st, thanks to its strong first quarter results, which actually showed a 28% year-over-year revenue growth and a record net income of $438 million. Now, Tesla is still one of the most innovative and disruptive companies in the world in that its AI capabilities will give it a long-term competitive advantage in the electric vehicle and mobility markets. The stock is not cheap by any means, but it could be worth paying a premium for its visionary leadership, loyal fan base, and huge potential growth. Now, number 2, another big company, Google. Alphabet is the parent company of Google. This is just Google, and Alphabet is the search engine that dominates the online advertising market. Now, Google is also a leader in AI with its popular products and services such as Gmail, YouTube, Maps, Photos, and Google Assistant. Google has been using AI to improve its core search and advertising businesses as well as to create new revenue streams from cloud computing hardware and other bets. Now, Google has been investing heavily in AI research and development for years and has been some of the best AI talent and infrastructure in the world. It has also acquired several AI startups such as DeepMind, which is behind the famous AlphaGo program that beat the world's top human Go players. Now, Google also has its own AI platform called TensorFlow, which is widely used by developers and researchers to build and deploy applications. Now, the stock has been performing well this year, rising over 35%, and the company reported a 34% year-over-year revenue growth and a 162% year-over-year earnings growth in its first quarter of 2023. Now, Alphabet could be one of the safest and most diversified bets on AI. The company has a dominant position in the online advertising market and wide moat around its core search business. It also has multiple growth drivers from its cloud hardware and other bet segments. Now, the stock is also trading at a reasonable valuation compared to its peers and historical averages. Finally, what you've all been waiting for, number 1, that is NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA. Now, NVIDIA is the undisputed leader in the graphics processing unit. Now, these GPUs are specialized chips that can perform complex calculations at high speeds, making them very ideal for powering AI applications such as computer vision, natural language processing, and generative modeling. Now, NVIDIA's GPUs are used by some of the biggest names in tech, such as Amazon, Facebook, Microsoft, and Tesla. NVIDIA has really been on fire, with its stock has been soaring in the beginning of 2023. The company actually reported an 84% year-over-year revenue growth and 106% year-over-year earnings in the first fiscal quarter of 2024. Now, they saw strong demand for their GPUs across all segments, especially gaming, data center, and professional visualization. NVIDIA is also expanding its product portfolio beyond GPUs. The company recently actually launched its first data processing unit, this is known as a DPU, called BlueField 3, which is designed to offload networking, security, and storage tasks from a CPU. The company also announced its plans to acquire ARM Holdings, a leading designer of chips for smartphones and other devices. Now, NVIDIA could be one of the best AI stocks possibly to buy right now. The company has a clear competitive advantage in the GPU market and has a huge opportunity to capture more market share in the data center and edge computing markets. The company also has a visionary founder who has been driving innovation and growth over the last 2 decades. So there you have it, our 5 top AI stocks for June of 23. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And also, if you have other AI stocks you want us to look into or give for recommendations, please leave it down in the comments and we can definitely take a look into them, do some reviews, and also share them with the channel and with the audience. Take care, have a great day, and I'll catch you guys later.